In order to broaden the scope of the definitions and increase the responsibility of plastic manufacturers and importers in India, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is proposing amendments to the Plastic Waste Management Rules of 2016. This is the Draft Plastic Waste Management Rules of 2022. This draft aims to amend several rules and forms in order to impose a responsibility on producers, importers, and brand owners to adopt an environmentally sound approach to dispose of waste after a plastic product has been sold. This responsibility is also known as extended producer's responsibility. The draft introduces new definitions and even amends existing ones. For example, one of the new provisions explains who recyclers are. They are entities who are engaged in the process of recycling of plastic waste. The draft mandates that only after a person has obtained registration from the State Pollution Control Board or Pollution Control Committee or Central Pollution Control Board can that person recycle plastic or manufacture carry bags. These rules also propose changes to the protocols for compostable and biodegradable plastic materials. It states that the degree of degradability and degree of disintegration of plastic material shall be as per the protocols of the Indian standards listed in Schedule 1 to these rules. The draft rules aim to modify the importer's form to include questions pertaining to the total capital invested in the project, the year of commencement of production, the list and quantum of raw materials, etc. Following the polluter pays principle, these draft rules propose imposing an environmental compensation on those manufacturers and producers who do not adhere to these rules. These were the few amendments that the draft rules aim to bring in. Do you have any thoughts on these rules that you would like to share with the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change? Head on over to civis.court to read a summary of these draft rules and give your feedback on it.